Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you how to block followers on Facebook page. So let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Facebook page. Have you opened up your Facebook page? Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to followers tab. So click on followers, then all your followers is going to be present right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply look for the actual followers you want to block from your page. So let's, for instance, I want to block this particular follower right here. What I'm going to do is to click on these three dots right here, and this is going to pop up. Simply click on block, and then this is going to pop up. Now you can simply, so right here, how will you like to block this particular contact? You can block their single contact on your Facebook page, or better still, you can block their contact and also block their profile that they might create in order to have access back to your group. So whichever way, just select any of the two right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply select this because I want to ban them permanently. So if they create a future account, they will not be able to have access to my group, to my page again. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on confirm right here. You block this particular contact. It's as simple as that. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on close, boom, and then the contact will be permanently blocked on your Facebook page. So basically, this is how to block contact on your Facebook page. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.